Just making a very quick video. I bought my little Mini Cooper London 12 a little while ago from a dealer, and it was supposed to have had something like a 20-point inspection or something like that. Two things I've noticed so far. I had the car just a couple of months, and probably only done 500 miles on it because I've been off work. So the first thing I noticed is on inspection that the water header tank was empty. So that worried me for a little while until I realised that it had obviously just all boiled off over the years and no one's ever checked it. So much for checking that. Also, so it's developed a misfire today, which is a bit more concerning because I was thinking coil packs, but it just felt like it was starving of air or fuel. So I looked at the air filter, and if you can see the air filter from the top, I thought that looks pretty good, looks pretty clean. So when I took this off, hey, that's great, isn't it? So yeah, I can't imagine that's doing the engine too much good. I think it might be a bit of a starvation there, so I'll hoover that out and blow the air filter out, and which doesn't look too bad apart from the leaves wedged in it, and see how we get on. Okay, bye. Okay, so I grabbed handfuls of leaves out of the filter, probably blocking it well over a quarter of the volume of the air filter box. Yeah, so pulled the leaves out, hoovered the remainder out, and just put it all back together again now and see what happens. Okay, quick update on the car. Put it all back together again, put the air filter back in, went for a test drive, and guess what? There wasn't that. So my first thoughts were a coil pack. I've ordered one online. I'll wait for it to get here, and then I'll tomorrow, and I'll fit it. Okay, I'm not going to go into too much detail with this. Loads of videos how to change coil packs, but just quickly, you have 2 screws, you have somewhere down here, you have 4 clips which I just push in with the screwdriver, just push at the bottom. I wouldn't just lever it out like I've seen some people do. Underneath there you have 4 coil packs, okay, one on each spark plug. They're very tight in the hole to pull out. It creates a vacuum on these rubber seals, okay. So in the end of each coil pack you have a lead which comes out really easily. You lift up these tabs, it forces the plug out. Okay, that's it. Okay, so what I did was I had no engine management light come on. I had no alarms. There was nothing showing on the ABD when I checked it. So I didn't know which one of the coil packs had failed or potentially failed. So it was just a matter of trial and error. I've got one new coil pack. Fortunately for me, I went to number 4 coil pack first. I changed that one out first, and that cured the problem. So just to finalise this, just wanted to say a few words to explain what I was feeling when this coil pack failed or started to fail. Because it hadn't failed altogether, it was very subtle. So this car at 30 mile an hour in 4th gear wouldn't pull cleanly, so as soon as you started to accelerate it would stutter, jump, misfire, but like I say, quite subtle. If you accelerated all the way through the range, it would fire cleanly. It would sit at 70 mile an hour, 30 mile an hour, 40 mile an hour without any problems. So this is obviously, on my car in particular, the first sign of one failing. So hopefully that will help you to identify this problem, and before you spend money on something else that will go to a garage or whatever, it's a really simple job to fix. It's a cheap fix, say £22. It cost me for my coil pack from Amazon. Yeah, like I say, hopefully it'll help. Cheers. Bye.